This deal is projected to be seen very, very crucial for India and its defense strength. French President Emmanuel Macron will be meeting Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi here in the financial capital Mumbai in the coming hours. And among the top agenda will be the purchase of 114 Rafale fighter jets. Just a few days ago, the Indian Defence Ministry announced that they have cleared the path for the purchase of 114 Rafale jets from Dassault Aviation at 30 billion euros, and that they are going to go into the intricacies of the deal point by point during this meeting. Among the most keenly negotiated part is India's desire that half of these fighter jets be co-produced in and built in India with locally sourced materials. Just to also remind our viewers that the Indian Air Force has 36 Rafale that they purchased a decade ago, and the Indian Navy also purchased 26 Rafale Marine just last year. It's going to be a very important deal for India's defense, especially for strengthening its depleting fighter jets at a time when India feels the pressure from its rival neighbors like China and Pakistan. So this meeting is seen as a very crucial for strengthening the bilateral ties between India and France. India sees France as one of its most important defense partner. So in the coming hours, we will get to know what else they have discussed, but defense is the point of the focus here in Mumbai.